Hi everyone, I'm Michelle LeMay with LeMay Chiropractic Wellness. Did you know that November is National Gratitude Month? You probably knew that the fourth Thursday of November is Thanksgiving, where we set aside one day to give thanks for all that we have. But according to nationaldaycalendar.com, November is the National Gratitude Month. So we at LeMay Chiropractic Wellness, meaning Dr. LeMay and I, wanted to show our gratitude to you by having a gratitude and wellness fair on Saturday, November 30th, which is coming up very quickly here. It is the day after giving thanks and the day after Black Friday. So Saturday from 12 to 3 at our office, we are going to be sharing some of the wellness services that we have at our office and other offices that we partner with. So that's the wellness part. The gratitude part is we are going to be giving away 25 of these babies, these gift bags that are loaded with all kinds of good wellness things. Like this one is, the topic is general health. There's also colds and flu, weight loss, kids health. So there's, and oh, I almost forgot, spa treats. So who wouldn't want to win a goodie bag with spa treats? So a lot of good things in there. We are also giving away to the first 48 people that come in the door, because we only have 48 of these, but these are the cutest little gratitude journals. So you don't have to have just one day or 1 month for being grateful for what you have. You can write something every day that you're grateful for. So be sure you come early, because these are going to go quickly and the food's going to be gone too pretty quickly. So I would suggest to go to our website, LeMay Chiropractic Wellness.com, and click on Media, then Classes, and when you scroll down you'll see that Eventbrite link. Go there so you can R.S.V.P. So we know how much food and drink to prepare. That would really help us out. Or you can always go to the Eventbrite website and just RSVP there when you see this cool little flyer. So anyway, don't just make one day or 1 month a day to be grateful for. Make every day a gratitude day. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you at our Gratitude and Wellness Fair coming up soon. Bye-bye.